Arguably, the most common element that will be used when writing site content is the paragraph element. The paragraph element is made using p tags and displays whatever content is placed in between. Let's make a quick paragraph element and fill it with dummy text. Remember to type lorem and press the tab key to generate quick text. Save your project and view it in a web browser. Looks pretty good. Going back to the code now, one downfall of the paragraph element is that it doesn't preserve white space very well. All extra spaces and lines will be removed from the paragraph before being rendered on the screen. For example, if we add extra space to this paragraph and view it in the web browser, you'll see that it gets condensed automatically. If you insist on having a line break in a paragraph, you'll have to use the break element. We talked about this element briefly when discussing empty HTML elements, but let's take a look at it in action. Add a break to the middle of your paragraph and see what it does. The paragraph element didn't get rid of the line break that you hard-coded in. Similarly, if you want to preserve multiple spaces, you'll have to use the character entity NBSP, short for non-breaking space, to hard-code extra spaces into your paragraph. We'll talk more about character entities later in this course also. One last way to preserve white space in your paragraphs is to wrap the paragraph in a parent pre element. Pre, short for pre-formatted, will format its content while preserving extra line breaks and spaces. See the difference? In practice though, I don't necessarily recommend using the pre element. I only wanted to tell you about it because the option does exist. There are applications where the pre element can be useful, but for the most part you should be able to achieve a spaced out paragraph by hard coding line breaks and spaces.